Hi, I'm Suhan, and in the previous video, many of you were commenting that we don't understand the quicksort. Then, a simple way to understand quicksort is going through the code by yourself, as learning by yourself will be helpful more than listening to others. You can see the codes or the source code of the programs and how to implement it. So this video is not about how to learn quicksort, but it's about how we are implementing it. So I am making a Git repository of every sorting algorithm or the main sorting algorithms so that you can go through it and understand how it works. And if you don't understand any of it or any one, then you can comment down and I will make a video on that. So learn and practice. It is the key to knowing sorting. Now I will go to the quick sort and how many quick sort you need to learn. I will suggest that first practice Lomoto's quicksort as it is easy to understand and you can be better with doing it. Then use Lomoto's using 3 medium. Now this will this is an extension to Lomoto's quicksort and it only has 5 or 7 lines extra than Lomoto's quicksort. In this, it only compares to the medium, and when you will go through the code, you will get how it works. Then I will suggest you that to learn Horace quicksort. It is the main quicksort, and it is the best quicksort for a work perspective, but and it is easy to implement and also fast and efficient than merge sort. So I highly request you that please learn it as in many interviews you will be asked how to implement it or you will not be asked to implement it but you will be asked the general idea of it. So go through the code and it will not take a much time to understand it as the code is simpler, and when I was searching on the net, I was not getting every sorting algorithm's code. So I made a repository, GitHub repository, so that anyone searching for the code can get it. Now I will suggest that you should use Howdy to handle duplicate. As in Howdy's quick sort, there is a problem as when duplicate comes then it becomes less efficient. To handle that problem, the next code to be suggested to you is how to handle duplicate in Howdy. And at last you should learn counter sort. And counter sort is a linear search algorithm which is mathematically not possible, but we are using some tricks here such that it becomes possible to sort an array in linear time. A counter sort or a linear time algorithm uses other methods than comparison. As in any sorting algorithm such as merge sort, quick sort or any sort, we were using comparison. But in counter sort, we don't use comparison, but we allocate the memory to a given array. When you will go through the code, you will better understand and you can implement it by yourself. Now, after doing this sort, you can go to the dual pivot quick sort. And if you get how to implement it, please contribute on my GitHub repository so that everyone can know that how to implement dual sort. As I'm not getting the dual sort code or the efficient dual sort code. So if you know, please contribute to the GitHub repository. It will be a help. And if you are new, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I guarantee you that by learning this, your quick sort algorithm will be finished. And Keep learning. Signing out, Suhan.